Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to learn how to write one formal letter according to modern format. So following the modern format, how to write one formal letter. This letter is letter to the municipal commissioner complaining against the bad condition of road in your area. Very important letter for both TS and AP. So we shall start the answer. First, what we have to write left side. Answer starts now. Left side. First, we have to write sender's address. Okay. So sender's address. First, we have to write the name in the exam. So name we are not writing XYZ. Okay. So XYZ sender's address, house number, door number, like that. House number. Okay. 10 dash 3 dash 65 by D. Okay, no, don't write from to, don't write, no comma, no full stop. Mehdipatnam. Next line Mehdipatnam. Next line Hyderabad. Okay, so this is sender's address left side. Okay, sender's address is over. Yeah, so now leave out the next line. This line we have to leave out. Now date. So next one is after sender's address, date. So today's date is, for example, 27. Okay, 27 November. 27 November 2021. No comma, no full stop, like this. First we have to write the date, name of the month, year, without any punctuation marks. Okay, sender's address over, date over. Now next line we have to leave out. Okay, so this is this line we are leaving out. Next, receiver's address, to whom we are writing municipal commissioner. So the article the municipal commissioner. Okay, the municipal commissioner, M capital letter, commissioner, C capital letter. Okay, the must be there. The district collector, the editor, like that. The principal, the class in charge, the warden, the publishers, the HR manager. Okay, so office, next line office, GHMC. GHMC. Okay, next line station, place, Hyderabad. Okay, right. Now receiver's address also over. Next line we have to lay out the next line. Sir, salutation, sir. Okay, sir or madam. Okay, sir or madam. If it is male, sir, female, madam. So here next line you can leave out the next line. So subject briefly you can write. Subject is optional. Briefly we can write bad condition of road, all capital letters. So briefly, bad condition of road. Bad condition of road. Okay. So complaint against the bad condition of road in our area, not required. Only what is the problem briefly. We have to address the problem briefly here. Okay. So not more than 5 words. Okay. Yes, maximum 5 words. Now next line also we have to read leave out. Now introduction. So first we have to write the introduction. Sender's introduction. I am a resident of. I am a resident of Mehdipatnam, Hyderabad. Okay, Mehdipatnam, comma, Hyderabad. Yeah. In this way we have to introduce ourselves. So continuation, I wish to, this line is very important, this sentence is very important. I wish to draw the attention of the authorities, to the bad condition of road in our area, in our locality, in our colony. All are correct. Okay, I wish to draw the attention of the authorities to the bad condition of road in our area. So left side, everything left only. Okay, first paragraph, still we are in the first paragraph. Okay, So in this way, we have to write about the introduction of the problem also. I wish to draw the attention of the authority. This is very important. If it is some other problem, for example, sound pollution, I wish to draw the attention of the authorities to the sound pollution problem in our area. From here, we have to change. We have to change the problem here. Okay? Yes. For example, if it is dog menace, I wish to draw the attention of the authorities to the dog menace problem in our area, to the power cut problem in our locality, in our colony. Now introduction is over. Now leave out the next line, next paragraph from left onwards. Details of the problem. Okay. Now details should be the largest one, largest part of all the three paragraphs. Body of the letter must have three paragraphs. Okay. Yeah, from here. The main road in our area is in a very bad condition, okay. It has many potholes, okay. Right. Water overflows upon the road in rainy season. Okay. Next page. So 1.5 pages, all 2 pages we have to write. So it can't be adjusted in 1 page. No. In rainy season. Okay. Yeah. Many accidents are taking place. Many accidents are taking place every day. We are facing too many problems. Mister. We have already given a representation to the local corporator, okay, but no action has been taken from his side so far. No action has been taken from his side so far. That's why we are writing a letter to you. We are sending this letter of complaint to you. Okay? Yes. Second paragraph is over. So details of the problem. Second paragraph means details of the problem. It should be the largest of all the 3 paragraphs. Introduction, first para should be brief, last para, conclusion should be brief. But the second para compared to these 2, it should be a little bit bigger than these 2. Okay. Now paragraph is over now. So leave out the next line. This line also we have to leave out. Now come to this line. Left side, not from here, left. Everything left. Okay. Modern format. This is called modern format. Now conclusion, also called request or conclusion. So, comma, I request you to kindly look into the matter and take necessary action against it. Take necessary action against it as early as possible. At the earliest. As soon as possible. As early as possible. Full stop. Okay. Request or conclusion also over. Now next line leave out here. From here. Subscription, superscription. Okay. Yours truly. Complaint means truly. Sincerely also you can write. Okay, yours truly. In yours, don't use apostrophe. No apostrophe. Why should be capital? No apostrophe. True spelling TRUE, but truly means TRULY. There is no E here. Don't write E here. Okay, and don't put apostrophe. Wrong. Now same XYZ name. In the board exam, we should not write our name. Okay, same XYZ or ABC. Anything you can write. Okay, same name. Okay, yeah. So this is the letter, formal letter. So first what we have to write here, first what we have to write, sender's address, yes. Next D, date. Next receiver's address, R, yes, D, R. Next after salutation and subject, introduction, I, introduction. Okay, then details of the problem, details of the problem. Okay, details of the problem, then request or conclusion. So what is the formula? Sender's address, yes, D, date, receiver's address, R. Body of the letter, introduction, details, request or conclusion. So in this way, so this is the formula. SDR, IDR, SDR, IDR, SDR, IDR, sender's address, date, receiver's address, introduction, details, request. This is called body of the letter. So if you remember this formula, SDR, IDR, you can write any formal letter easily. Anyhow, this time no informal letter, only formal letters are there. So this letter is very important. Okay. Okay, students, thanks for watching my videos. I hope that you have understood the topic very well now. It is very clear to you now. You have enjoyed this video. So in the next video, we will learn another letter to the editor of your newspaper, complaining against any current issue, any burning topic. Okay, right. Thanks for watching my videos. See you very soon. Take care of yourselves. Take care of your health. Okay. See you very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.